Hello, welcome back. My life is Mathland channel. Today, integration part 2. Integration of function f of ax plus b. How can we do integration of f of ax plus b? Let f of x integral of f of x dx is equal to capital F of x plus c. Then integral of f of ax plus b dx is equal to capital F of ax plus b by a plus c. Integration of f of x, f of ax plus b, both same outputs given, but coefficient of x will be write down. Okay, let's do the proof. I is equal to f of ax plus b dx. Let ax plus b is equal to t, and differentiation of both function a dx is equal to dt, dx is equal to dt by a. Now I is equal to integral of f of ax plus b dx. So integration ax plus b, you can submit t. F of integral of f of t dx submit dt by a. We will get integral of f of t dt. So 1 by a into integral of f of t dt. Now, so integral of f of x dx is equal to capital F of x plus c, as well as integral of f of t dt is equal to capital F of t plus c. So 1 by a into f of t plus c, where t is equal to ax plus b. So 1 by a f of ax plus b plus c. Hence proved. Let's solve some functions on this example. Integral of sine of 2x dx is equal to integral of sine x dx is equal to minus cos x d plus c. So 1 by minus cos x 2x by 2 plus c. Here x coefficient 2 will be right denominator. Integral of 1 by 3x plus 4 dx is equal to integral of 1 by x dx is equal to ln x plus c. So ln x dx plus 4 by whole by 3 plus c. Next, integral of 1 by 1 plus 4x plus 5 whole square dx is equal to integral of 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to tan inverse of x. So it is a tan inverse of 4x plus 5, 1 by 4 right before, plus c. Integration of e power 5x minus 3 dx is equal to, we know that e power 5x integration of e power x, so it is a e power 5x minus 3, but 5x differential value why it write as a 1 by 5, so 1 by 5 e power 5x minus 3 plus c. Next, 7.9, question number 7.9, integral of cos cube x dx is equal to, so here we know that formula for cos 3 theta formula, integral of cos cube x dx is equal to, so we know that cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So you have to change the 4 cos cube theta is equal to cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta. So cos cube theta is equal to cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta by 4. That is equal to integration of 3 cos 3x plus cos 3x by 4 dx. That is equal to, write a 3 by 4 first. 3 cos x by 4 plus cos 3x integral dx plus cos 3x by 4 dx. So 3 by 4 cos x integration sin x plus 1 by 4 into 3 because of cos 3x integration of cos 3x sin 3x by 4, so sin 3x plus 3. There is equal 3 by 4 sin x 1 by 12 sin 3x plus c.